Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwean model, entrepreneur and socialite Hilary Makhaya is celebrating her birthday today. Born on July 23, 2001 in Harare, Makhaya turns 24. The socialite marked the day with glamorous photos on Instagram. Makhaya comes from a family with deep roots in modeling. Her aunt Connie Makhaya was Zimbabwe's first Black Beauty pageant queen, and her cousin, Olympian Catherine Makhaya, was Miss Zimbabwe 2014. Hilary has followed in their footsteps, winning more than 5 pageants, including Miss Teen World Heritage in 2015 to 2017 and Miss Intercontinental Zimbabwe in 2017 to 2018. She began her career with the Top Model Zimbabwe agency and later featured in Takura's hit Can't Get Over You. In July 2021, she was appointed Face of Kariba brand ambassador to promote tourism and investment. As she celebrates her birthday, Makhaya remains one of Zimbabwe's most talked about young public figures. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.